diesel engine could be dying right now. And these 5 common cold start habits might be the culprit. Did you know? Over 70% of your diesel engine wear occurs at cold starts. In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal the 5 deadly cold start mistakes that are destroying your diesel engine from the inside out. Most people don't even realize they're doing it until it's too late, and their repair bill hits thousands of dollars. Stay with me because at the end, I'll show you the one simple trick that could save your engine and your wallet. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Not waiting for the glow plug light to go off. The number 1 killer mistake is starting your diesel before the glow plug light turns off. I see this all the time. People jump in, turn the key, and immediately hit the starter. Big mistake. Here's what's really happening. Your glow plugs need to heat the combustion chamber to at least 450 degrees Fahrenheit for proper ignition. When you don't wait, the fuel doesn't burn completely. You get that white smoke billowing from the exhaust. That's unburned fuel. But here's the scary part. This incomplete combustion creates carbon deposits in your cylinders and damages your injectors. Over time, these deposits will clog your intake valves and ruin your engine's compression. One mechanic told me he replaced an entire engine because the owner never waited for glow plugs. The repair bill? Over $8,000. Always wait for that glow plug light to turn off completely. In extreme cold, you might even want to cycle the glow plugs twice before starting. Mistake number 2. Immediately revving after starting. Mistake number 2 is revving your engine right after startup. I cringe every time I see someone do this. When your diesel is cold, the oil is thick like honey. It hasn't circulated through the engine properly yet. When you rev immediately, you're forcing all these metal parts to work without proper lubrication. Cold revving causes thermal shock, abrupt temperature changes that stress your engine components. Your pistons expand at different rates than your cylinders, creating microfractures that eventually lead to catastrophic failure. Here's what I recommend. Start your engine and let it idle for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Keep RPMs below 2000 until your temperature gauge starts moving. Your turbo especially needs this time. Those bearings need oil pressure before they start spinning at high speeds. Mistake number 3. Warming up too long. Now here's a mistake that might surprise you. Warming up for too long. Yes, you heard that right. Many diesel owners think longer is better, idling for 10, 15, even 20 minutes. This is actually harmful. Extended idling creates something called wet stacking. Partially burned fuel accumulates in your exhaust system. It also causes soot buildup in your DPF filter and EGR valve. Modern diesels don't warm up efficiently at idle. The best practice? 1 to 2 minutes of idle time when it's above 50 degrees. In extreme cold below zero, 3 to 5 minutes maximum. Then, drive gently at low RPMs until your engine reaches operating temperature. This actually warms up your transmission. And differential too, something idling won't do. Mistake number 4. Starting with a weak battery. Mistake 4 is attempting to start with a weak battery. This one destroys more than just your battery. Cold weather can reduce battery capacity by up to 50%. When your battery is weak, it can't provide enough power to properly operate the glow plugs or turn the starter fast enough. Here's the hidden damage. Weak batteries force your starter to work harder, drawing more current and generating excessive heat. A struggling starter not only burns out faster, but also fails to spin the engine at the proper speed for combustion. This leads to incomplete burns, carbon buildup, and potential hydraulic lock if fuel accumulates in the cylinders. Many diesel owners don't realize their battery issues are actually killing their starter and damaging their engine. One simple battery test could save you from a multi-thousand-dollar repair. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong engine oil viscosity for your temperature. This can quickly wear out your diesel engine because many owners stick with 15W40 oil year-round, even in freezing temperatures. When temperatures drop, 15W40 oil becomes thick as molasses, forcing your engine to work incredibly hard to pump it through the system. This creates several dangerous situations that can damage your engine. Modern diesels need thinner oil in cold weather. Your owner's manual will have specific viscosity recommendations, and you should always follow those, especially if your vehicle is still under warranty. However, many experienced diesel owners, particularly those with older engines out of warranty, have found success using slightly thinner oils like 5W30 or even 0W30 when temperatures drop below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, your manual's recommendations are typically for normal operating temperatures, not the extreme conditions of cold starts. If you're out of warranty and dealing with harsh winter conditions, consider consulting with a diesel specialist about whether a thinner winter oil might benefit your specific engine.